Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a coming soon page on siteground. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan, and if you want to buy to premium or subscription of this siteground, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, so here you will see the user maintenance plugin. So there are plugin for a web application that provide maintenance functionality, and depending on the plugin used to maintenance functionality may be different, but usually visitor to your website see a coming soon page or a page that shows a timer how much is left until the website is publicly accessible. And using plugin allow you to customize the maintenance pages, so you can develop to them to match the look on your website. You can find such plugin in the official extension and repository, and any three of them can download the best maintenance app in siteground and plugin to use. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.